Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this halo heart look. I don't really know what to call it yet. I thought this would be really cute for Valentine's Day, and if you guys would like to see how I did this, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette for this tutorial. And I lost the shades, so I'll just be pointing at them. I'll edit somewhere in this video the names because I have no idea where I put that little paper. I'm going to be starting off with my Morphe M441 brush. I'm taking this shade right here. How I like to start my halo eye, I just dab right on my outer V first. So just right there. And then I'll go ahead and, just build it up a little. Okay, then I'll go do the same thing in my inner corner. Okay, and then I'm going to do like a rainbow to connect the two dots. Now I'm going to take the shade, this like maroon shade, or burgundy-ish shade, I guess you could call it. I'm taking that on my BH number 7 brush. Start it on your outer V. And you want to apply this color right next to the first shade. And then when you blend it, you can blend it in with the other shade. And then do like the rainbow effect to connect the two dots. I'm taking my M441 again and dipping in that light shade that we used in the beginning, and then blend it out. Now to do my halo heart, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. I basically do 3 dots like Mickey Mouse. So I'm going to put 1 dot right here in the middle like that. Okay, so something like that, and it does not have to be perfect. Now with my Morphe E19, I'm going to draw my heart. I'm just going to start carving out the circle for the heart, like for the end of it, and then drag it down like that. And if you ever have a mess up like how I do right here, you just want to take any clean brush, whatever shape, whatever, it doesn't matter, just any clean brush. I'm going to take this flat brush, has nothing on it, literally just take it off. And there you go. Boo fixed. Right now it looks like this, and don't worry if it doesn't look 100% perfect because we are going to go in with shadow to perfect it more. So for the most part it looks good. Like I said, you guys, I can't draw, but I managed to do this, so if I can do it, y'all can do it. I'm taking my number 9 BH brush. It's just this really small flat detailed brush. First I'm going in with the lighter pink shade. Then going in with the darker one. Going back in that lighter shade. I feel like when it comes to the middle, I'm keeping the darker shade more in the middle, and then towards the outer part of the heart, I'm putting the lighter pink shade. Just because, I don't know, it just makes a really pretty pink shade. And if you see here, it looks more squarish, but like I said, your heart does not have to be perfect because we're about to fix it right now. So I'm going to take my pencil brush, and this is my Morphe E169. And then I'm going to dip in this brownish, purplish shade right here. I'm going to outline my heart with this shade. I'm going to take my Morphe M213, and it's just this really flat, very small brush. Taking that same shade I'm going to get really close to my heart, just to define it a little more. I'm going to take that pencil brush again with a little of that darker shade and then start to blend this a little out. Now I'm going back in with my BH7 brush, and with the light burgundy shade, I'm going to blend out that darker shade. Since I feel like the dark color kind of took over, I need to bring the lighter shades back. I'm going back in with my M441 with that tan mauve shade. It's like a tanny purple mauve shade. I don't know how to explain it. It's so pretty though. And then just do one final blend. I'm going to take these little jewels, and I actually picked these up at Walmart. Taking my lash glue, and it sucks because it is in the black shade, so I really have to be careful when applying this jewel because I do not want to get black all over my heart. So just like that. So you see where my crease line is, I'm going to place that jewel right under my crease line. And now I'm just going to apply some mascara, and this is my e.l.f. 3-in-1 mascara, and the wand looks like this. So I'm taking my BH number 8 brush, and just this really flat brush, and it's perfect for blending out your shadows under your eye. And then I'm going to apply my bottom mascara. I'm just going to apply my falsies. And these are my Ardel wispies, and I love them because they go from little to big. Just gives your eye a really pretty flirty look. Now I'm taking that flat brush that I used to color in my heart. I'm going to be applying this in my inner corner. And also on my brow bone. Alright you guys, and that completes the eyes. I'm obsessed. Yes, to these hearts, girl. Heart eyes for real. Alright, let me stop. So to line my lips, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. pencil in this shade Praline. For my lipstick, I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Rebel Rose. This completes this heart halo eye. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe before you go. I'll see you guys all in my next video. Peace!